192 Canary Island.
Yeah, 34AT192 163 Oscar Papa 110. Yeah, the name is Darren. Darren, Delta Alpha Romeo, Romeo Echo November. The name is Darren, and we're in Tenby. Tenby, Tango Echo November, Bravo Yankee. Remind me of your name. I forgot your name. 34AT192 110. Over.
Your last record, Darren, 110-192.
QSL Nando, yeah, 5 and 5, you're coming with QSP there, and someone else has come on frequency there, Nando. Yeah, nice to hear you again, and propagation has been fantastic so far today on 11. We've worked 4-3 Division Australia, and many stations around Europe, and you're the first station I've listened from 3-4 Division Canary Islands, so it's nice to hear you guys coming through over to Tenby, Wales again, Nando. QSL?
Thank you, great surprise to hear you. For me, great surprise. Long time ago, I can hear you, Darren. But anyway, I think you and your family are fine. That is important. So I hope you will be fine. Because I won't say to you Merry Christmas before Merry Christmas, Mr. Darren. Thank you so much for reading my comment. Enjoy the year. The conditions on the Canary Islands are no good. But anyway, we are on frequency. Thank you, Darren. Take care, stay safe in COVID situations, because now it's very difficult, and
Yeah, 34 Alpha Tango 192 163 Oscar Papa 110. Yeah, Nando, many thanks for the call. Nice to hear you coming over to Tenby, Wales. And Merry Christmas to you and yours, and all the best for 2022. Let's hope it's a good one. And hopefully we meet again on the frequency real soon again, Nando. Pleasure hearing you again, mate, and hopefully we do it again soon. I'm doing a little short video at the moment. If you want to check out my YouTube channel, check out my YouTube channel, 163OP110. You will find my channel, and you can hear your station in my Radio Shack, Nando. You hear your station in my Radio Shack, Nando. So 73 till the next one, 34AT192 163 Oscar Papa 110. Thanks a lot, Nando. Stay safe. 73, bro.
Oh man, you know, very strong. 58. I don't know. Man, thank you, Darren. Thank you to you.
Yeah, thank you, Nando. We're losing you now there, so we just finished in time there. 73, stay safe. All the best, Nando. Till next time. Ciao.